We're coming to the end of our refit, so the final bits are coming together. So we've got all the below the waterline on the hull now primed in silver. That's a barrier coat and metallised primer, ready for our anti-fouling. We actually did the priming last week, so it's had a week to dry, so that's now ready, and today we're going to get the first layer of anti-foul on. Plan is to get 2 layers of anti-foul across, maybe 3 across the back. There's Janet, she's just got the starting to get the covering down. Should be saying, put that bloody camera down, will you, and come and give us a hand. And so 2.5 hours later, we have first coat on the hull finished. So that's the hull underneath the waterline on both sides, completely painted. 2.5 hours. Still odd wet patches. But that will now, we'll leave that to cure overnight, and put the next coat on tomorrow. Also, we'll see both props on. Just cleaned one prop up, and the other side has been repaired, and so that's the repaired prop done by Woodward's of Hull. Excellent job, very quick return as well. We are painting again, second coat going on. It's going on quite good though, we're cracking on nicely. Getting half the hull done, then onto the other side, and then we'll have the reveal. And here we are.
It should be behind me. It should be behind me. Look at that.
It looked good when you start to yeah, you get that nice crisp edge. Yes. So this morning we took just about an hour to paint the whole of the hull. Not a bad going between the pair of us. Oh, stop! Leave it! Oh, stop! So we've polished the whole hull, re-anti-fouled, scraped and re-anti-fouled. one of the nice little finishing touches we've done is on the through holes. We've put these drip pipes, so all of the through holes have got these little pipes, even the small ones are 15mm. The idea is it just helps the water shoot away from the boat and not run down and not to stain underneath. And so where did we get those little drip pipes from? Well, we made them. Made them on our 3D printer. Very simple little pipes. Just printed them though at 45 degrees, which gave a much better shear line on the print. So this sequence is just showing it through the printing process. And this is the 32mm one of the larger ones, but all were made in exactly the same way. The other thing we did, we changed the coach line, so the water line. So all of that is now done. It's all done in blue. It's nice dark blue, not broken up like black was. Also around the bow thruster, when we got the boat, it was all white. They never finished it off, never really done any anti-fouling on it. So that's all matches in now. But coach lining down both sides of it. It just finishes it off along with the polish. And again, nice shiny, polished the exhaust port up. So another weekend and we're going back in the water, going till November, going back in the water. Over in the UK we can use the boats throughout the winter really. A lot of people bring them out because they don't want to stay on them, but we do. We want to use her. And we shall be using Ava Brace over throughout the winter. So today we start to rip the carpet up. So all this old blue carpeting is finally going to get ripped up and out of the way, and we will be replacing it with the mulberry, which will look a lot better. These are the new steps that we've put in with the mulberry carpet at the back. Looks a bit of a mess, but this is all the old carpeting that came out. So we changed it from this worn out blue, which didn't really ever suit, to mulberry. We'll just sort out the other little bits and pieces, like central carpet, whether we want to change that or not to match. But, we'll see how things go. So last throws now, just tidying up after refitting all the carpet, new stairs. Everything's looking good, apart from that's mucky. That's interior refit, just about complete. What do you think of it, Janet?
Rubbish. What do you think?
What do you think of it, Janet?
I think this carpet might me. I need new carpet. I don't think it goes.
What do you think of it, Janet? What do you?
Brilliant. A lot of hard work, but well worth it because now it's done. It's done, and we've got what 3-4 years
Yep.
before we need to do anything again. To an extent, apart from the basic, obviously cleaning and dusting and polishing and everything that goes with the boat. You're on my carpet again.
So there we are. We go back in the water on the 26th of November. Let me just say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to see more cruising on Ava Grace.